Hey guys, this is my second YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to speed up your computer using various tips and freeware. So the first step that I like to start off with is speeding up the boot time of your system's OS. Now whenever your computer boots up, it loads specified programs. Now you can turn off some of these programs and it decreases your boot time so your computer starts up a lot quicker. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So I'm using Windows 8, so what I want to do is I want to go to the search bar. I'm going to type in msconfig. Now if you're on Windows 7, what you need to do is you need to go to the startup menu and you need to go into the search bar and type in msconfig. Once system configuration is loaded up, you want to go to the startup tab, and in Windows 7 I think everything, your startup programs are already listed here, but in Windows 8 you're going to have to open it through the task manager. So once the task manager has been loaded up, you can see all the programs that your computer boots when it boots as well. So you can also see the startup impact, medium, high, and low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable some of the stuff that I do not use on my computer when it starts up. So I do not use uTorrent, so I'm going to disable that. And as you can see, it has a high impact, so by disabling it I get a lot less boot time. I'm also going to disable AcroTray. I'm going to disable Acrobat Speed Launch. I'm going to disable the CS6 Service Manager. I'm going to disable Adobe Reader. Also the Startup utility. I'm going to leave my antivirus on. I'm going to leave my video card driver on. I'm going to disable Daemon Tools Lite. I'm going to leave Java on, Switchboard. I'm going to disable VMware Tray Process, and I'm going to leave Windows Command Processor on. So that's it for that. Now once you've done that, you want to exit that and click OK. Now if you're on Windows 7, that's going to require you to do a system reboot, but on Windows 8 it doesn't require you to do that. So that's it for the first tip, guys. You can restart your system and see how fast it boots up. Okay, so my second tip for you guys is deleting a lot of the unused files on your computer and cleaning your registry. Now, a lot of registry cleaners and file cleanup software cost a lot of money, but there's a lot of freeware on the market as well that can save you a lot of time, and they do the same jobs as well as the paid versions of some software. So I'm going to show you guys one of the favorites that I have, and it's called CCleaner. So I'm going to Google that, and I'm going to leave this link in the description for you guys so you can download it. So what this does is that it contains a file cleaner, it also contains a registry cleaner, and it also contains a tools section that you can disable the startup programs like I did in my first tip. So what you want to do is you want to download for your PC or for your Mac, and you can download this and install it on your computer. So the link for this will be in the description. So I've already downloaded it and installed it on my computer, so I'm going to launch it up. So the first tab that we have here is the Cleaner tab. So you can choose the options specified. I usually leave it at default, and you can click on Analyze. You need to close off all your internet browsers, so I'm going to close off mine. And as you can see, I have around 838 megabytes to be removed from my system. So I'm going to click on Run Cleaner, and it's going to delete all those files from my computer. Okay, so my computer has been cleaned. The second option that this program contains is the registry cleaner, and you can click on Scan for Issues, It's going to scan your computer for registry issues. Now, registry issues are usually unused file extensions, uninstalled programs, etc. And what this does is it scans for these errors on your file system and it displays them here. So let's wait until it finishes scans. Okay, so these are all my registry errors. So I'm going to click on Fix Selected Issues. I do not want to create a registry backup and fix all. Now usually when you do it the first time and you scan again, you usually find some amount of registry errors, so you can just do a second scan to ensure that you have no more. So as you can see, I got a second, on my second scan I got another error, so I can click on Fix Issue, and close. Okay, so that's it for registry cleaning. So I'm just gonna go through the tools section and show you guys. So you can uninstall programs also that you do not want on your system. That can increase your speed time significantly as well. You can also click on Startup and you can disable the startup program. So as you can see, I disabled most of these stuff from the msconfig program within Microsoft on my first tip. You can also do a system restore if you'd like, and you have a drive wipe, but I won't be getting into this too much, so let's close that. So that's my second tip, guys. So my last tip for you guys on speeding up your computer is defragging your hard drive. Now what defragging is that it tries to reduce the number of fragments on your computer's hard drive. Whenever you store a file on your computer, it's stored in a fragment. So what defragging does is it takes those fragments and arranges it in a specific order, trying to create a region of continuous free space, and this really helps on speeding up your computer's access time for specific files. So how we defrag your hard drive, you can either do it one of two ways. You can use a Microsoft's free defragging tool, or you can download your own, but I recommend downloading Defraggler. The link for it is in the description. I'll leave it. perform/defraggler/download/standard, and you can download it. And once you have it installed on your system, you can boot it up. So I have a shortcut on my desktop, and you want to click on yes when prompted. So you select your local disk, and mine is local disk C, and you want to click on analyze. It's going to analyze your hard drive, and as you can see, I have a lot of fragments, and what it's going to do is it's going to take these fragments and arrange it in clusters and create the largest number of free continuous space. So what you want to do is you want to click on defrag. Now once you click on defrag, it's going to start defragging your drive, and notice that this can take a very long time. You should probably leave your computer on overnight and run this software, so it has a lot of time to defrag your hard drive. So that's it, guys. These 3 tips that I gave you guys, they will help speed up your computer significantly, and you will see results. So that's it for my tutorial on how to speed up your computer. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and remember to comment on my video and rate it, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like. So thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.